P5 Pilot with you out of the Hillsboro hangar on a Saturday, and let me show you what I've got done on the main wiring harness. You recall I got the portion done that passes through the wing, and I do have to connect it to the left side still, but since I had this all set up, I'm busy getting all the powers, all the grounds laid out to all the instrumentation and electronics. And now all that's left is running, let's see, 3 serial RS-232 lines that connect the transponder to the air computer and the GPS, and then connect the VPX, the vertical power solid state breaker unit, to the G3X up in front. And then there's another little short serial line that connects the air data computer, the GSU-25, to the G3X as well. Then there's a CAN bus that has to run and connect everything. That's going to be one of the last ones I put together. There's some audio lines to run. There's an audio that comes from the G3X and runs back. There is the lines for the headphones to plug them in. Those are going to be stereo. And other than that, I'm waiting on the switches. So I'm going to use the RC Allen. That's the CAN bus line. I'm going to use the RC Allen. There's 5 wires in a little bundle, and those work perfect considering I've got some of them already run. The PPS is wired. Everything's labeled as to which pin it goes to. Autopilot has its power, and they're labeled as to which pin they go to. There's the line that goes out to the beacon that sets in the belly. All of these are set up for where they plug in. And of course, this has to tie into the harness that's coming out of the wing. There's a few extra electrical connections that have to be made to power the lights that are in the wings. But as soon as I get the other lines run with this, I can sheathe them, put the snakeskin around them, and then put them in the aircraft. Might put them in the aircraft and then put the pins in them. I'm just going to see what causes interference. I want to make sure that I don't do anything in the cockpit here where I've got a one of those connectors that's too large to pass through. Passes through and goes up above those switches. I want to stay clear of any interference with the throttle and trim. Those are going to be tucked up tight so they stay out of the way. And so that's why I think I'll put the connectors on after I get the wires back here. There'll be plenty of room to work here. The group that goes back here, though, I can probably have them have those pins in, set the other pins. The thing with that German GTX 45, that's a little frustrating. The way this is made is it's got this nice little box that it slides into. You can see that's the unit that's right there. That slides into this beautiful box, but the way I had to mount it, I can't utilize that ability to slide that unit in and out, so I have to unbolt it, pull it out. That way I can get the wires run, so that GTX is the first thing that gets wired. I get to connect all the pins into that, and then reassemble the avionics into the aircraft, and then from there work on the rest of the units. I'll probably have the other pins placed, and so it's just ready to plug and play once I get everything put back in. But what a pain. That one is kind of a pain, I have to admit. But we're at 60 degrees now, running my faithful heater. So this is a nice place to stand every once in a while and warm your hands back up. But that thing works pretty good. So there we go, 60 degrees. Thought I'd give you the update. Next thing I'm going to be running is set those serial lines out and measure them, cut them, and then I got to do some soldering. But I thought I'd give a check-in and let you know that I am working on the plane and stuff's actually getting done. I'm actually pretty excited how well the wiring harnesses come together. So I'll be talking with you soon. I'll get some more done later. Bye. Biggie Fight Pilots out for now.